Hey!
Hey!
It's Candy and Logan again.
And Boris.
And Boris is here. And
From Bendy. Like up if you like, leave down in the descriptions if you like Bendy and the Egg Machine.
The comments?
Comments.
It's my favorite thing.
But definitely.
And what else do they need to do to the channel?
Like this video.
And what else?
Go on Christy's channel, see my channels and her channels.
Subscribe.
And say and do the subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yes.
That thing. Okay, so we got another Universal Yums box. This says the birthplace of Picasso. Do you know that?
Boris is
You went to
going
art school.
Boris is just going crazy.
Okay,
Like
put
France?
Boris down.
Where is
It
it?
doesn't look like France. Oh, Spain.
What?
I had no idea. Yeah, I should have known that. I know that now.
Yeah.
He's like, look at Boris. He's like, what?
Give me
What?
Boris.
No.
So you can focus. Give me
No,
Boris.
I want him in the video.
How about we just put him down for now? We'll just like, he can
Boris.
watch right here.
You can't watch right there.
Alright, so we've got a couple smaller things.
Video.
Okay, we'll put him like right here.
He needs.
There, he's in there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Daddy, can you get away from the cart? This is Boris's cart.
come over here. Come here, come right here.
We need Boris's cart here.
Logan, calm down.
There's Landon.
This Boris. Let's try this one out
Logan.
next.
Ooh. Okay, so this is La Abuela Nieves. No. No.
Huh?
No. Okay, so these are Iberian ham flavored potato chips.
I'm gonna really taste it.
Yeah, we're gonna taste it.
Okay.
They don't smell
I
weird.
want him in the video.
Put it down.
Do you want to taste food or play with Boris?
Both.
You can only choose one.
Taste.
Okay,
Boris, stay down.
here. Boris is going over here for right now.
That is very good.
You like it? Does it
Hi,
taste like
Boris.
ham?
I'll put Boris in his carriager.
Okay. It does taste like ham. It's really weird.
Oh my god. That is a weird chip I ever taste in my life.
Come on.
No, let me get it.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay?
Yeah, that's the wrong
Is that
way.
weird?
Yeah, he goes to taste some more.
Enough.
You want to taste some more?
Stop.
That's
Okay,
so
we'll put
good.
this to the side.
Okay, I have to do this.
Apparently it's just me and you.
Oh,
Fried potato snack with barbecue flavor.
I like it.
You like barbecue? Me too.
Okay, now I'm back. Oh! What? Restart.
Okay, these are the very weirdest shape.
Yum.
Do you taste any barbecue?
Yeah, I do.
Do you? I don't taste any barbecue.
Okay.
Yeah, I definitely don't taste barbecue. Do you taste barbecue on that?
Nope.
Nope. No barbecue flavor on that.
I want to taste. Let's try this again.
Those were Shiki Shin Barbacoa barbecue potato snack.
I want some more of this.
Okay, we'll eat those after. Alright, this looks like a cookie. This is a Carmen Lupianez Tortas de Aceite olive oil cookie. I know.
I'm so ready to taste this.
I'm so ready.
I got a big beer. I just want to get.
So ready.
Oh!
It's okay.
Buy these! Good.
You like that? It's different. It's not like super sweet. It's got a weird after flavor. I don't really like it. They're kids. They like cookies. Let's try these first.
What are those?
Chocolate de Caramello. Lucky something.
No, it's
Caramel white chocolate candies. You haven't even tried it yet.
Boris, it's okay. It's okay, Boris. It's okay.
Duh.
Ow!
Logan.
No hitting, guys. Here, you want one?
Yeah. What does it need?
It looks like an M&M, but like flat.
I did down.
It's pretty good. Is the white chocolate on the inside or the caramel?
I like to try our one.
So it's
of
white chocolate on
those.
the inside, caramel on the outside.
It looks like chocolate in the middle. Now let's try these two candies. Hey, Christy.
Let's try this one first.
Remember the one where we did this again? The round number 2 or number 1. I just watched it.
Did you?
Yeah, it was so funny. It's so funny.
Put it down.
Let's open it.
Oh! Well, I thought it was just going to be corn nuts, but it's like a bunch of different little shapes. There's like stars and...
Ooh.
This is also supposed to be barbecue flavor.
I got the star. Me too.
I'm not sure Spain knows what barbecue is. What do you think?
It is hot.
It's hot, you think? A little bit spicy?
Yeah, I'm gonna take some water. Do not buy these. My side of my tongue is burning.
It's not spicy.
It's actually burning.
Your face is burning. They did get that from me, didn't they? I think Landon left.
Hey, do you want to see it? Maybe when this is over, we will show you maybe let's start off with this.
All right.
And we have 2.
Okay.
So we're
Logan.
Leticia's Naranja al Chocolate. Chocolate covered candied oranges.
I mean, wait on one. I like those.
You gonna eat one all to yourself?
Yeah. I mean, one
So
all
they're
by
like
myself.
pretty sticky.
Can somebody open mine?
Ooh,
How
the
do you
orange.
ask?
I think, never mind.
It smells very orangey.
It does.
What are you laughing about? I don't know. What do you think?
Good.
Good? It smells very orange, but you don't get a lot of orange flavor.
It's actually a lemon.
No, it's an orange.
See? A lemon.
All right.
Hey, look at this.
Let's try those. Let's
So Leo's over here. He had the spoon in his feet. Hi.
Okay, wait.
Okay, sorry. We got distracted.
Oh, can I open this? So, I can open it.
Why don't you let Landy open it?
You can unwrap. I can unwrap. Ooh.
More cookies.
Ooh.
Mantecado doble de limon. So these are probably lemon cookies.
Oh. No, not all.
They smell kind of citrusy.
Eat it.
Oh,
Let's eat the rest for later.
that's so weird. It like crumbles as soon as you put it in your mouth. Like it just falls apart. It's very soft.
That's why probably they call that.
There's not a lot of flavor to it though.
It's good, so buy them. And the last but not least.
Okay, we've got, these are hard candies, so we're not gonna try these because we're about to have lunch, but these are
the cookies.
cream of pistachio.
Check on the cheeseburgers.
We have to have some more cookies. No, let's save the cookie for later.
Yeah, save the cookie for later. Cream, pistachio, and chocolate creams.
Oh, yum.
So,
Say bye to both.
what did you guys think? What was your favorite thing?
The cookies.
Which cookie? The first cookie or the second cookie?
Both.
You like both of them?
Me too. I like all candy.
Did you like the ham chips?
Say bye, Boris.
Okay.
Say bye, Boris.
No one cares about Boris, honey.
No.
Okay,
Bye.
all right, guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Can you say bye, Land?
Bye. Bye.
See you later.